Okay folks, Friday morning, 9 o'clock. As you can tell by my voice, I am excited. I am more than excited. Collecting the new car today from a showroom, not a private buyer, so I'm looking forward to the experience. I'm taking a few of my mates along for the journey as well. So it's now 9:05, just waiting for Chase to come pick me up and we're going to get to it. So yeah, new car day, there is no better feeling. So we've been chauffeured today. Chase to the base, Chase.
That's right, baby.
Yeah.
I've got the wrong hat on though.
What we got on? He's got some good trainers on. We'll have to look at the trainers.
Oh, the Bumblebee trainers. I wore them specifically, mate.
He's got some good trainers. Is that a hint? Is that
it's a hint.
It's a hint. It's a hint. Classic E92 V8 M3. That's what we're talking about. Yeah, boy! Tell you a little story how me and Chase met. As you know, we had the grey E92 M3, and this guy was going to buy it. Well, we shook hands, and then I changed my mind, and he bought this instead.
Yeah, literally shook. I mean, he turned green. I mean, that's how I know his missus, because she was telling me how much he came back into the kitchen and he just turned white. All the blood had just ran from his face. I'm driving home rubbing my hands because I just bought a nice new M3, and he called me back and said, I can't do it, mate. Cheers, pal. What's
it got on this, exhaust and induction wise?
Exhaust, Eisenman exhaust.
Yeah.
Carbon class plenum for the induction. It's got, I mean, the thing is, none of us have managed to trace it, but it's got some sort of BMW Motorsport carbon induction.
Yeah, that induction
just that on its own.
Place that, can we? Where it's from.
If you're at the front of the car, it sounds more like a muscle car, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. And it's manual for driver's car. So if you ever need a Uber that gets you there in, I don't know, half an hour before you need to get there, then Chase is available. Uber Chase.
5-star rating.
5-star rating.
The service is absolute shite, but I get you there.
Uber Chase, I'll get you there.
You'll be smiling.
11 Carrera S.
Yeah. So it's got a brand new set of boots on it as well.
That's nice. Do you know what? You cannot beat the back end
I just love Porsche
of a Porsche. The only bad thing about buying this car from where it's located is that heap of crap over there. We're in Red Dog Bandit territory. You Rams! If you're wondering what Uber Chase drives, this is Uber Chase's whip.
It's the Uber X rated.
Uber X rated?
Yeah.
What do you charge per journey?
Sex mostly.
Can't beat this car. You won't find a nicer sounding M3 than that.
It's black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
From the jungle, up in the trees, I got a few tricks up in the sleeve. One wrong move, I'ma let out the big shoes, check out the crease. Blow like I'm Bigfoot, step on the beat. Make a man's run till he step out the cleats. When the whole place scream, gotta get out the. Yeah, I hear him chat to the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking.
Yeah, how you feeling, Matt?
Nervous.
Oh, yeah.
I'm more nervous than I'm excited.
No, it's not.
This doesn't fit.
It's not a Tinder date. You've already seen what she looks like.
The skirt up.
It looks sexy underneath that cover.
Yeah.
It does.
I think I'd get one of those.
It's got good lines on it.
Well, what on this side? You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Congratulations,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah, that wing looks wicked, doesn't it?
Yes, and you know what? I know you said black, but I think it'd have got lost.
Oh yeah.
If you'd have had black, and the fact that you've got around the aluminium and the fuel pump, I think it's just right.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, good contrast, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is. It makes that wing stick out.
He's definitely not going to use any of this video.
Is the footage alright? Footage alright.
No idea.
There she is.
No stone chips on it or anything.
Minter.
There will be if you look closely. It's an active
Obviously we fitted this, that didn't come with that, we had to have that on there, and the splitter on there.
No, no, no. Been through a lot, don't know the half. No, no, no. When I'm on drive, never lose control. Hand on the game, never lose control. It ain't my fault that I'm in control. When I'm on drive, never lose control. On a mission, on the move, gotta go, no, no. Ain't no time to waste my time. We don't slow down. You can navigate in dimensions, big dog in dimensions. We be aiming for the fences. I'm in a different dimension. Why y'all be riding the benches? Y'all could just go through the tension. Graduated from the trenches, no cap and gone. I ain't never need a handout. On my 2 feet, I'ma stand out. I ain't never take a loss now. Ain't gon' start now at the top.